Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the multiple integrals. Change the order. If the limits of integration in a double integrals are constants, then the order of integration can be changed. Order of integration can be changed, provided the relevant limits are taken for the concerned variables. Double integral, integration a to b, integral c to d f of x comma y dx dy is equal to double integral c to d a to b integration f of xy dy dx. Dx changes dy, dy changes dx. This process of converting a given double integral into its equivalent double integral by changing the order of integration is called the change of order of integration. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral x to 2 minus x square whole root x by root of x square plus y square whole root dy dx by changing the order of integration. Here y limit is x, y limit is 2 minus x square whole root, y is equal to x. We can write y is equal to x and y is equal to 2 minus x square whole root. X limit is 0, x limit is 1, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Now we substitute x equal to 0 in this equation. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Next, x is equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0 in this equation. X equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to root 2. If x is equal to 1, here we substitute x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 1. X equal to 0, y is equal to root 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. X equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the point of intersection. Here the circle and lines intersect at this point 1, 1. This is the origin. This point is 0, 1. This point is 0, root 2. This line equation is x is equal to y. There are two regions in this circle, R1 and R2. Now we can find R1. R1 x by root of x square plus y square dx dy. R1 limit, x limit is 0 to y. Here x limit 0, here x limit line equation x is equal to y. Now x limit is 0 to y. Y limit is 0 to 1. Y limit is 0 to 1. First R1. Next R2. R2, this is circle equation. This is circle equation. Y is equal to circle equation. Y is equal to 2 minus x square whole root. Squaring on both sides. Y square equal to 2 minus x square. X square equal to 2 minus y square. Therefore, x is equal to 2 minus y square whole root. This is x. Next, second region, R2, 0 to 2 minus y square whole root. X limit is 0 to 2 minus y square whole root. Y limit is 1 to root 2. Y limit 1 to root 2 dx dy. R1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to y x by root of x square plus y square dx dy. X limit 0 to x integral 0 to y 0 to 1. Put t is equal to x square plus y square. T is equal to x square plus y square. Differentiate t with respect to x. Dt by dx equal to 2x. Dt by 2 is equal to x into dx. Now we put x dx is dt by 2. X dx is equal to dt by 2. X square plus y square is t. dy into dy. Out integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1, 0 to y, 1 by 2 into root t is t to the power minus half into dt into dy. Now we integrate with respect to t. X power n dx formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. T power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. Minus half plus 1 half. by minus of plus 1 half. Half of cancel, t power half. Limit 0 to y dy. Integral 0 to 1. Now we put t value. T is equal to x square plus y square whole root. 0 to y dy. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. First we substitute upper limit. X is equal to y. 0 to 1 integral y square plus y square. Here we substitute x is equal to y square plus y square minus lower limit 0. This place is 0 plus y square. Square root cancel, here only y. Y square plus y square 2y square whole root. Next we integrate with respect to y. Root 2 into y. Root 2 into square root cancel, root 2 into y minus y dy. Root 2 y. Root 2 y integration, y dy. Y dy integration is y square by 2 minus y dy is y square by 2. Limit is 0 to 1. Limit 0 to 1. Upper limit 1. Substitute 1 instead of y. Root 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Root 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Upper limit. Lower limit is 0. Lower limit is 0. Root 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is R1. We find R2. Integral 1 to root 2. 0 to 2 minus y square whole root. X by root of x square plus y square dx dy. This is the same process. This is the same process as R1. So we can substitute directly in this value x square plus y square whole root. 0 to 2 minus y square whole root dy. Upper limit is 2 minus y square whole root. Instead of x we substitute 2 minus y square whole root, 2 minus y square plus y square minus lower limit is 0. So y square. Y plus y square minus y square cancel, remaining root 2 minus y dy. Limit is integration with respect to y. Integral 1 to root 2 with respect to y. Now we integrate with respect to y. Root 2 y. Y dy is y square by 2. Limit 1 to root 2. Limit 1 to root 2. Y equal to root 2. Y is equal to root 2. Root 2 into root 2 2. Root 2 square 2 by 2 minus lower limit 1. Root 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1 minus root 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 1 plus 1 by 2 minus root 2. 1 plus half equal to 3 by 2. 1 plus half is 3 by 2 minus root 2. Finally, we get R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. Root 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus root 2. First we combine these two. Root 2 by 2 minus root 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Next, root 2 by 2 minus root 2. LCM 2. 2 root 2. 2 into root 2. This is 2 into root 2. Root 2 minus 2 root 2 by 2. 2 by 2 1. 1 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is minus root 2. LCM common LCM 2. This is the final answer. Thank you.